Well, from banking to IT now, move over traditional hiring and people management strategies. Number crunching machines have now entered the HR game. CNBC TV 18's Vinitha Atre explains.
The food you eat, the clothes you buy, the games you play, the vacations you take. Data analytics has already been tracking your everyday activity to give marketing teams an edge. Now these number crunching, algorithm running pieces of artificial intelligence are all set to have a bigger say in your work life too. More and more companies, especially in the IT and FMCG space, are adopting these tools in their HR practices and processes to manage their large workforce.
Using the big data and then using that analytics, for example, spotting talent by looking at the social media, what I was just telling you about. These are the kind of things that we are experimenting at this point in time.
20 to 30% of our data are now going through what we call a predictive analysis, which is the real HR analytics, where we use a lot of models in places of attrition management, performance appraisal, compensation management, turnover prediction, risk management of employees.
But this also means that hiring patterns are also set for a drastic change. IT firms, for instance, are increasingly opening up to hiring non-engineers for engineering positions. And in some cases, that's meant that recruitment of engineers for such roles has fallen by 20%.
All this is coming from their HR analytic tools, which are teaching them or telling them that the productivity outcomes at 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years in people's careers are not that different. And so a non-engineer is much more grateful and much more hungry than an engineer to have a job at Infosys or Wipro or wherever else.
Preliminary data suggests after 2 years of similar work profile, more of them mimic more or less same competencies and performance standards, and not major difference.
This new method of deciding on recruitment comes as a lifesaver for many corporate houses, especially those that have had to wrestle with uncertainty in their long-term project management decision-making due to escalating wage bills and higher attrition levels. Now, many of them believe that by incorporating these business intelligence tools would give them the much-needed edge in better workforce management, hopefully translating to faster turnaround economically speaking. In Bangalore, Vinitha Atre.
New HR trends over there, but after